Hi and welcome for the Day 2 coverage at WDS 2026, the International World Defense Show, which takes place in Riyadh in Saudi Arabia. Today we will focus to the Saudi defense industry, and you can see behind me different type of military equipment designed and fully developed in the country. You can see a lot of drones, combat vehicles, and the Saudi defense industry are really involved to develop new equipments and new innovation in the field of land, air and sea. Due to the high demand in the world about FPV drones and large unmanned systems, the Saudi defense industry has also developed different types of drones, from small drones to EV drones. And you can see here on the booth a full development of FPV drone. FPV drone doesn't mean first-person views, and it's really used today in combat area, like in the Russian-Ukrainian war. We are now on the booth of the WACEP Group. It's a very unique company who has developed and designed different type of drones. And you can see now a full range of new drones developed by the Saudi Arabian defense industry, including standard drones, but also vertical takeoff landing drones that can be used to perform intelligence mission, but also attack missions using guided bomb or missile. A very interesting drone developed by the Saudi defense industry is also helicopter type drones. It's very unique. There is not so many defense companies who produce that type of drones. It's like a standard helicopter, but completely able to perform combat mission in fully autonomous mode. We are now on the booth of ARAF. This is a local defense industry company who produce different type of military equipment, including combat vehicles, but also other systems. At WDS 2026, the company unveils different type of new 4x4 armored vehicles, fully developed and designed in Saudi Arabia. For Saudi Arabia, it's very important to create a new joint relation with international defense company. And at WDS 2026, ARAF announced a joint relationships with the company Lockheed Martin to develop a new generation of weapon system. At the booth of ARAF, we can see a new joint collaboration between foreign military companies and Saudi companies, and ARAF display at its booth the Alacran motor from the Spanish company mounted on light tactical vehicle. This is a very unique artillery fire support system. The motor system can be very easily mounted on light tactical vehicles without many modification.
My name is Amr Al-Jabour. Welcome to ZM Naval. ZM Naval is a Saudi local company. This was initiated as part of Saudi Vision 2030. We have integrated two major companies together, SAMI Shipbuilding and MEMR, Maritime Repair Overhaul Capabilities Company. Our objective is to provide full local in-service support to our operators within the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. When you talk about shipbuilding, we are supporting that. When you're talking about maintenance, repair and overhaul, we're providing these services. So full integrated in-service support in country. What we produce is anything below 70 meters. Of course, the mission for each vessel is different. However, we have the full in-house capabilities that can meet the customer requirements. So you tell us what you want, and our mission is to keep you mission ready. As you can see here, there's multiple type of vessels. You can see the inshore patrol boat, you can see the shore range patrol boat, the high-speed interceptor, the utility boat. There's multiple type of vessels and ships that we produce or support in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Well, our focus today is to become the go-to when it comes to building ships and maintaining ships. This is not new to us. We've been doing this for many years. We have the right infrastructure, the trained manpower, and our objective is to continue developing our capabilities to become the local in-country partner when it comes to maritime and naval support.
We are now on the booth of another Saudi defense company, NCMS, for National Company for Mechanical System, and they present a full range of unmanned, remotely operated weapon station, which can be armed with different type of weapon system, including 12.7mm EV machine gun and also 30mm automatic cannon. All these weapon systems can be easily integrated to different type of combat vehicles, including wheeled and tracked combat vehicles. The Saudi defense industry continue to develop new weapon system, including counter-drone system. And you can see now the BARC. What is the BARC? It's a short-range, high-response interception for open and non-urban environments. The BARC is an AI-guided interceptor which can be used to counter drone system. It uses lightweight, 3D printed interceptor equipped with a patented live distributor warhead that physically disable drones by distributing lift and control. At World Defense Show 2026, SAMI, one of the large defense companies in Saudi Arabia, highlight the show with two new combat vehicles, one in 8x8 configuration and one in 4x4 configuration. The name of the vehicle is EID. The first one is the 8x8 configuration, is equipped with a new unmanned remotely operated weapon station armed with a 105mm cannon. This is a very unique design. You can see at the front of the vehicle the position of the driver and the commander, who has a view of 180 degrees. The vehicle was especially designed to be used in desert conditions. Another interesting product displayed at WDS 2026 is a new mine laying system mounted on a trail, which can be connected to light tactical vehicles to provide quickly deployment of anti-tank miner system. You can see on each side mine anti-tank, and in the middle there is a trap to disperse all the mine system in really and fast condition. One of the main messages for World Defense Show 2026 is to create a new local defense industry. And for this reason, Saudi Arabia organized one of the most important defense shows in the world to create new joint venture, to create new relations, and to produce locally one of the most modern military equipment in the world.